Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you are handing a site over to a client or moving it to a different account, I will show you how to actually transfer a Webflow site to another account in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. Then tap on this site, it will check you automatically here so you can log in using your email address and password. It's time now to select your website, tap on settings here, then go all the way to site access. It's time now basically to transfer the site. So you're gonna go and enter the recipient email, type the email of the Webflow account you are given the basically site to, then basically give them a role here. You can basically give them admin role or basically just give them the owner own role. So after doing so, confirm the ownership change. Once accepted, this site moves to the new account. As for some pro tips, hosting plans don't transfer automatically, and also custom domains may need reconnection. So also make backups before even transferring. So basically we stay safe. You're gonna tell me how would I know about the backups. You go to the same settings, then you come here to backups. So we have already automatic backups, don't worry about it. You can either preview them or just restore the version. You can also be accessing the plans settings. Basically check if you want to take this SMS basic or even business plans, it depends on you. You can also check the publishing section. It's basically have a lot of options. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.